Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, March 19th, 2009. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 55 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Alright, good evening here, junkies. What we started out this morning, we opened up right around 800, a little higher, 800.50 I believe, and we immediately started trading down to the downside towards our half gap, got a bounce, didn't get a chance to get in here. We actually filled our half gap denoted by this red line, came back underneath and bounced to the bottom side of that half gap. We actually got a signal to go short right there. That short signal produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks. We had a strong move down. We filled our gap. We came down to our pivot denoted by this white line in our overnight session lows. We got a nice bounce off the pivot. As we got that pivot bounce, we pulled back to our moving average. We got a signal to go long. That signal traded up again through our close of yesterday for targets 1 and targets 2 of 10 ticks. We then came back down beneath the closing underneath our moving average, got a signal to go short right here. That produced target 1, but there was no follow through to the downside, so we actually got stopped out of our second target. But on the retrace of that stop out move, we got a signal to go long, again north of our moving average and right around our close, the support level of yesterday, and that provided the catalyst and the bounce to the upside, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks. So that was a trade that was a nice one there. Small swing, small results, but it was positive anyway. We came below our moving average, got a signal to go short here. It fought against us. We came within 2 ticks of being stopped out of both contracts there, but we did not get stopped out. And because of this large downswing, our retrace, our movement, our target was large on that one, and that produced 20 ticks to the downside, and targets 1 and targets 2 were hit. Again, came down to this previous resistance or support level of the lows of yesterday. Kind of held it up for a little bit, traded to the downside, went and found some previous support around 777.50, just north of that. Traded kind of sideways for the lunch hour for the most part. Coming out of lunch, we got a move and a signal to go long. Unfortunately, we did not even get our first target hit on that move. That came right through our fill, stopped us out on both contracts, so we lost 14 ticks on that particular trade coming out of lunch. And as I've said many a times, the afternoon session is a little more difficult and not as productive for us, but if you do trade it, you know, sometimes you give up some points. But we lost that first trade. We did get another opportunity to go short right around the 2:30 reversal time. We started trading to the downside. Again, the pivot and yesterday's support line came into play. Traded underneath it, came back up underneath this pivot, got a signal to go short, and that was a nice trade that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 16 additional ticks. So all in all, we had 7 trades for 55 ES ticks, a great day for us. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this trading plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.